Welcome to Aquanta Library Content. Today, we'll discuss how to renew closed subscriptions in NetSuite. In NetSuite Suite Billing, once a subscription is closed, you cannot reactivate or reopen it. However, you can renew a closed subscription by creating a renewal change order or creating a new subscription using the original as a reference. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create a renewal change order. Here's how you can renew a closed subscription in NetSuite. Navigate to Transactions, Subscriptions, Create Subscriptions, Lists. View the subscription you want to renew. Go to Actions, click Renew. You'll be redirected to Renewal Change Order page. Select the renewal method. Enter renewal start date. Select renewal term and add all necessary details. Optionally, you can also add a memo. Once all details are entered, hit Save. You'll notice that the subscription status is now set to active. We have now successfully renewed a closed subscription. And that wraps up this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.